15 minutes before I have to pick up the kids. I'm going to see if I can install this Tonneau cover in that amount of time. Oh, and it didn't come with directions. I don't think I have the 15 minutes anymore. I can't believe this. It's really, really frustrating. And there it is. That's 2 water exit. Do have 2 more brackets to install. Avoid damage, shut tailgate before closing lid. I can leave. And that's it. Let's see how much time I have. Whew. All right, I made it. I was able to get the kids and get this cover installed in about 21 minutes. And when I came home, I opened up the bag and I think I found the directions here. Yeah. But hey, who needs directions when you just got a brain, right? Very cool. So let's see this thing in action. Oh yeah, that's neat. Now, I'm going to have to set this camera up over here again so I can talk and do this at the same time. Sorry about this. It's really bad filming. But this cover has 2 pull latches and then starts to flip back like so. It's supposed to be strong enough to sit on. And there's this nice little, I guess this goes here. Wouldn't that be classy? That's nice. Okay, that's how that works. That way you can actually keep it up while it's running, while you're driving. I was having one problem, and that was with this these clamps here. See, there's supposed to be 3 on each side. There's one there. I couldn't get the other one on because of this bar here. So I have to go and take that bar off and install those, or maybe cut into it a little bit. Well, I'm good. That's it though. That's my video. And look, there she is.